Hello, how's it going, y'all? Yag, thank you for the lurk. How's it going? Val, thank you for the lurk. You're still live. I'm still in your chat. I'm lurking you. Miss Carling, how's it going? Welcome in. Killica, you did your first stream. Congrats. That wasn't so bad now, was it? You did great. Your setup is nice and clear. I hope you keep going so I can catch more of them. I did a thing this morning. I woke up and I'm like, I feel like it's finally time to give the characters pants. So now I have a variety of pants you can choose from. I was just so against like modeling clothing. I just didn't want to do it. And then finally I gave in. And now you can choose shorts. You can choose these like cuffed pants, no cuff. These are like sweatpants. They have cuffed capris. Let's see what else. Bell bottoms with stripes. Parachute pants. Capri bell bottoms. And parachute, I don't know, just really baggy pants. Goes well with the really baggy hoodie. Look how cozy that looks. It was terrifying, but I shall continue. Nice. Yeah, this is a little scary the first time. It gets easier. It gets easier. What the hell? Why can't I go back? I have a setting that allows me to go to this finish button and then go back, but for some reason it's not working. Smut, how's it going? Overwrite return target with us. Yeah, do that. I clicked this on. I just clicked this on and then I think it clicked itself off somehow. That's weird. Carling, I saw your messages in the Discord. Thank you so much for checking out the demo and liking it. If you have any criticisms, please let me know. That's what we do here. We work in the game. So I can go back to these. I go here. I can go back. Go to pants. I can go back. Ameripon. Konnichiwa. Okay, so I'm officially trained. I'm trained to take a sip of water when I hear that noise. It doesn't have to be a hydrate redeem. I am totally Pavlov's. Is that the experiment? Pete's knees. I'm gonna call you Pete's knees, even though I know it's New Zealand. How's it going, Pete? That's awesome, Carling. Malachi, you changed your name. I just saw you in another chat, like, what, this morning? You just changed it right now? Malachi? Is that why? Because of the people messing it up so much? So I don't know how this got unchecked again, but all right, let's keep that checked. All right, so I think I'm done with pants. I even gave them shoulders. The characters had no shoulders before. And now they have shoulders. It helps. Yeah, no one says it right. Yeah. Well, congrats on the change. It's hard to change sometimes, you know? You gotta get rid of your whole identity. Main game. All right, I was working on like 6 different things before I got very distracted with this pants thing. I was working on room bonuses to items. I was working on implementing my first cutscene. Well, not my first cutscene. Implementing the next cutscene, which is the weekly meeting at the town hall. And with those 2 things, that should keep me very busy. It's creating deep emotional trauma. Oh my god. Veggie 35. Veggie, why do I remember you having like 60? And thank you for the streak. How are you, Veggie? Not yet. I guess I think it was Pacifist. Pacifist has like 60 something. Also, it's a little dark in here. Okay. All right. I think I want to. What do I want to work on? The arcade bonuses or. Yeah, I think the room bonus, that should be quicker. That should be way quicker. All right. So pants are in the game. We got pants. Let me close all that stuff. This is all stuff I need to. Oh my god, this is so much. Oh my god, it's so much stuff. All right, let's go straight to room bonuses. Excuse me. Add tile to room. There's like an add item to room. Add decoration to room. Right here. Right here is where I need to check to see if the decoration that we are adding has a room bonus with us. And if it does, we add that room bonus. So excuse me. Add stats for items in storage containers? Oh, right. Right, I forgot about that. That's 1 day. That's a 1 day thing. Add stats for, or add bonus stats for, wait a minute. I think I was going down a path. I was going down a path already. Set room. Here. Oh, okay. I already have it laid out for myself. Add room bonus, remove room bonus. Because set room is called from here, delete room, add decoration. Okay, it's here. Oops, I almost did this wrong. All right, so how do I add a bonus? I basically want to add 1 to every point that it already has. So let's look at the arcade machine for a sec. Arcade cabinet. So the arcade cabinet, its stats are 0, 1, 2. I think I need a new stat modifier that's like, give it +1 if it's not 0. If the base value is not 0, give it 1. Virtue 55. 55 stream streak Virtue. How are you? Marred, yeah, 10 seconds. It was a Monday. That's dedication. Yeah, that's dedication. Bongo, how are ya? And Bongo, I do not use AI skin smoothing. Look at my skin. It's horrible. It's so blotchy. Where are my cookies? You don't get cookies. I'm doing good, Virtue. I don't know, maybe. I was just so mad all day. Work was kicking my butt. Just so mad. Now that it's over, I feel better. Virtue. 100 streams. That's a lot. That's a lot. I don't want you to get upset if for some weird reason you accidentally lose it. That's why the big streaks scare me. Should just cut it off. Also, the white balance is crazy. There we go. There we go. I'm going to have to change that, aren't I? All right, let's make a new stat type. So, stat modifier. I need a new stat modifier type called add if not 0. Add if not 0. And then in the stat where I calculate final value. Else if mod.type equals add if not 0. Final value plus equals 1. No, plus equals base values not equal 0. 1. 0? If the base value is not 0, add 1. Otherwise, don't add anything. That was easy. That was easy. The problem is, I kind of don't even want to. Nah, that's okay. That's okay. So in the decoration, if room bonus equals room, we want to, well, what's the matter? Ah, that's nothing. Please don't lick. Please don't lick. I'm gonna have to ban Covino's emotes in here. So for each, how do I add stats? Decoration stats. Do I have a quick function? Add stats. No, that's to add. Oh, wait. Oh, add. Add modifier. Public void. Add if not 0. Wait, add if. does this mean add? Add if not 0 from source. I guess. And then how do I remove them? I want to do the same thing for activity stats. These are decoration stats. These are activity stats. Whoa, whoa, don't do that. Yo, Nick. Nick, how's it going? That room. Stats.add. If not 0 from source. Decoration stats. I require a stat? Why do I require a stat? Oh, I think I just want a value of like just a 1. And the source is the room. The source is the room, and I want to actually set this later. Because it's going to be nullified, and I need to catch it before it goes null. Stat modifier. It just takes yeah, I just need an int. Or a float. Value. Same thing here. Activity stats. I want to add a float value. Okay. Ameripon, the comedian I was going to see in Tokyo, changed his dates to an earlier date, and I already bought my non-transferable tickets to Tokyo. Friggin' A, it looks like I'm going to be partying in Tokyo come March. What was the name of that indie meetup thing they have in Tokyo? I might check that out. Oh, it's called the Tokyo Indies. It's usually the 3rd Wednesday of every month. So if you do line up with those days, let me know. I'll send you the let's see, Tokyo Indies. If you just search Tokyo Indies, it's tokyoindies.com. There you go. Paste. That's the date they changed the show to. That's funny. It's not always the 3rd Wednesday, but usually it's the 3rd Wednesday. I've seen it jump around a little bit. You know, it might be the case where it jumps. All right, so stats dot remove all modifiers from source room. Perfect. That's so easy. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. So what this should do is, if I make an arcade and then I put an arcade machine in the arcade, boom, it gets a bonus. And oh wait, I don't know how to tell the player that. It's just gonna work, and the player's not gonna know why. I need some feedback. Well, let's just see. Ani, 40 stream streak. Wow. I didn't realize it was that much. Ani, how are you? Arcade cabinet. Room bonus. Arcade. Oh, whoops. I did the wrong thing. It's not a room. It's not a room. It's a room. Guest room. What is this? It's called room type. Room type. Okay. Inventory item. Bonus room is room type. I'm so locked in right now, making real progress. How am I? I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I don't want to distract you from your locked in real progress, though. But if you feel like sharing what you're doing, let us know. Oh, also, while I'm here, elevation. We're at 1640. New follows. Increase the elevation of Alpine Lake. Population 9. This is going to be fun to do. To have Carlos's schedule just like come and fix this sign when new people move to town. That's going to be cool. I love little details like that. All right, room bonus. So now I have to check if the room is equal to the room type. There we go. The room. Yeah. All right, so who gets the arcade? Who gets the arcade bonus? Arcade cabinet. So the arcade cabinet gets the arcade bonus. The basketball cabinet gets the arcade, and the skee ball. Can I do them all at the same time? Yes. Cool. So you put these 3 items in the arcade, they get bonus. Sitting up straight. Sitting up straight is important. Oh, also the hydrate. I didn't even see that. I guess that Pavlovian response is dead now, just for noticing it. So I delete this room. This is no longer a bedroom. That's upsetting. And then I put an arcade cabinet in here. Oh, oh God. It's so mad. It's so mad. What happened to this room? It's so scary now. All right, we gotta figure out why. Why did we get a null ref? If item does not equal null. Oh, wait, what? Oh, no. Oh, because this equals null. Ah, crap, I'm passing null. So if item does not equal null, I have to see if, why am I checking if item? If item end, no. If room does not equal null, do this. Yeah, if room does not equal null, then add the bonus if we match. If room equals null, we need to grab this room, remove it, then nullify it. Okay, we're good, we're good. Problem solved. I'm researching the parts of dev work that I enjoy. The current focus is around what I prefer in short, repetitive game loops. As the previous focus was pixel art, I am taking an art break. Nice, that's good to recognize that sometimes you just need to take a break from things. You could still love them. Just gotta take a break. I played your game again, and I forgot how fun it is. It's like Animal Crossing meets Sims, but hotel, and it's awesome. I love it. Good job, Bongo. It's very nice of you to say. Very nice of you to say. Are you gonna compliment? Are you gonna insult sandwich me? Or are you gonna do a weird, freaky comment sandwich with you start with the lick, and then you say something nice, and then you end with some other weird thing? No, don't sleep. Pick up the bed. All right, can I delete this room now without an issue? I can. So now the room's deleted. And arcade, give item. You put this in here. Oh, wait, I didn't make the arcade. Let's see. Can I just make it? 2 restaurant types, of course. Oops. In management canvas panel. New room canvas buttons. Arcade. Room button. Skill room restaurant. I don't want a skill associated. I guess I do. Skill room arcade. So now you need a skill arcade. And then arcade. Arcades unlocked. Allows arcades to be built on your property. Placing arcade machines in arcades will get you bonuses. Bonuses. How do you spell bonuses? It doesn't look right. All right, we need a cool icon for games. Icon game. Is there an arcade machine? Wait, what? This isn't game. This is like armor and shit. Video? Arcade. Arcade? Icon. Oh, here we go. We have controllers, monitors. There's no like arcade cabinet. Whatever. I'll just put this one for now. Freedom Lick. Osh7. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. $16.41. All right, this is annoying. I'm gonna put an arcade machine here so I can grab it. Gucci. How are you, Gucci? Welcome to the inn. Enjoy your stay. All right, delete. Arcade. Rename room restaurant. No, it made a restaurant. God damn it. Dang it. Dang it to heck. Why is it not making an arcade? Arcade button. New restaurant button. No. 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 New arcade button. I did this already. Did Unity crash and I not realize? Like, I remember doing that. Just like I remembered clicking that checkbox earlier. Something weird's going on. Did you see a black cat? I did not. Delete. Arcade. Arcade. There we go. I made an arcade. Submit. There's a bed in it. We're going to get rid of the bed. Let's look at stuff. So, I wonder if in this description panel I can say it gives bonuses. So if I put this in here, arcade +3 +4 +3. And it says 343 in the stats when I roll over it, but that's not right. It's because it doesn't count as a modifier. That's the problem. That's the problem. So the actual stats, it was 343, right? The actual stats are 1, 2. What? How did it have so many stats? What were the activity stats? Activity stats. 3, 0, 0. Well, that doesn't make any sense. It was... Huh? I wonder what's going on. So we're add if not 0 from source. That's strange. Something else was giving it stats. Or I'm just doing my math wrong. Maybe that display is like totally messed up. If I roll, look, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I delete this room. Arcade. Yeah. And then let's just give myself a few. Give myself 20 arcades. And I put one in here, right? This one's 1, 2, 3. This one's 3, 4, 3. It's adding 2. It's adding 2 points. I wonder if it's a weird rounding issue. Or, oh, wait. Stat modifiers. I wonder if this is doing something funky. Final value. I think I need to do this first. Or at least second. So oh, wait a minute. Plus equals no. Yeah, I'm adding 1 or 0 to the final value. The final value is the base value at this point. Max once mod. How about just say float? Okay, how about this one? Add if not 0 mod equals 0. Here I'll say equals this. And then final value plus equals add if not 0 mod. Is that doing anything funky? I wonder. Let's give that a whirl. Also, I want to give shout out to Falonier. Shout out to my boy Falonier. Always quick with the recognition. All right, let's try this again. Delete. Arcade. Yep. Submit. Bink. 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 2, 3. There we go. So it was 1, 2, 3, and now it's 2, 3, 3. I didn't add activity stats yet. So this is working as intended now. Cool. Now what I need to do is I need to add a modifier icon so it knows, so the player knows like where these extra stats are coming from. Gotta do that. And I do it in the game already. I just don't remember how I display it. Oh, I think I actually do know. So in the in management, no. What do I call it? It's like some kind of panel. Everything's named some kind of panel. It's getting out of hand. Item description panels. There we go. Item description panels. Stat mods. Get mod image. Get stat mod image. Stat mod container. How do I add stuff? If the object is a stat modifier. Oh, okay, here. Else if obj.source is room stat mod. Room, there we go. Sprite equals room dot icon dot room type dot icon. Yo, Turgus, thank you for 3 months. Awesome, Turgus, I appreciate it. How are you doing? I'm sorry you lost your streak because you're addicted to Balatro. Turgus bear arms. I love those. 3 months deserves 3 knees. I'm not acknowledging the knees. All right, that should do it. That should be it. All I had to do is like grab the image. And the image, oh, the image of an arcade room. I don't have that right now. Room. I just got the urge to make icons for rooms, but I feel like that's a total waste of time. Wordstone, how's it going? Amenity arcade. What the hell is this? Amenity gallery. Oh. Posture check, hydrate. Thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's almost evening now. It's almost 5 p.m. I should be sleeping, but I'm trying to watch the Blue Origin launch. They keep delaying it. What is Blue Origin? Oh my god. Ooh. Uh-oh, Wardstone's here. Yeah. Wardst 1 is here. Wait, what am I thinking about right now? Oh, right. I made these amenity room types because I wanted to have a room type that was just amenity. And then I wanted you to provide a subtype. But you know what? Forget that. Forget all that nonsense. We're just going to make different rooms as different types, and that's that. I don't need this amenity system. Room types. Arcade. We just need to give it an icon. Icon. I want to give it the same icon that I gave the skill, which was that controller. This controller. I like this controller. It's got a little wire. Blue Origin is the Jeff Bezos space program. Oh. I thought it was like some MMO or something. They're like launching the game. That's right, I forgot. You don't need that kind of negativity in your life? You mean Jeff Bezos' space program? Also, iHeart, how's it going? Blue Origin equals Amazon equals Twitch. It's true. Twitch is like the one nice thing Amazon does. New Amazon delivery and upgrade from the drones, just shooting rockets at houses with packages. The room thing? I already forgot. Oh, right. Yeah, the room types, the amenity types. It was getting too complicated. You're right. I don't need that kind of negativity in my life. You know what I do need in my life? And what you need in your life is Errand. And Errand's stream. Errand, how are you? All right, so I delete. And then go grab this arcade machine. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. I put this in here. Something's in the way. Okay, the door was in the way. I say it's an arcade room. Submit. And then funk. It doesn't work. Funkin'. Funkin' heck. Okay, there was more to it than that. There was more to it than that. And I wonder if it's because I made the room after I made the decoration. I have some kind of weird logic loop. Probably not. Let's just see. For each stat modifier. Oh my god. For each stat modifier. I'm officially going crazy. Stream's over. See you later, y'all. I do need more Errand in my life. Yee. Also, I think Finn's here. He's lurking. Can't just pin something and not get called out. slacking off and playing Pal World. Oh, Pal World. Is it still like, does it still have tons of daily active players? I feel like that was a meme game, and then I thought people stopped playing it, but I guess not. Facts, yeah. Wow. I had quote funkin' heck. Listen, if someone wants to make me that bot, I'll use it, but I can't. I don't know how to make stuff that does stuff. Power just had a huge update. Nice. Is it 1.0 yet? Or is it still early access? Pal World is insanely good. That's good. I'm glad. If someone wants to do Booyah's job, let him know. What do you mean my job? This is fun. My job. I love it. Why didn't this work? Okay. Wait a minute. Am I setting it to be a room type or am I setting it to be a room? If I go to stats. No, room. Oh my god, I have too many scripts open. But I don't want to close these because I'll need them in a minute. Set room. I make the room. Yeah, I make the room the source such that if object.source, wait, object.source. Object modifier. Yeah, object.source is a room. Then I get the spray. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, what am I doing here? There's way more to it than this. You can just add a sprite and call it a day. Sources.count is greater than 0, yeah. Sources. Let's just see if it's like adding print, adding room. If we've found nothing for each image in stat, wait, no, found nothing. Okay. For each image in these images, stat mod images, did I add them? Wait, what's going on here? Also, make sure everyone make sure to give iHeart a follow as well. I do my job. Nowhere near that launch peak, but they still hit 200K concurrent on Steam for this update. Damn. Still early access and very buggy. I haven't played it, but I was looking at running a server, and it's resource hungry compared to other games. You mean, oh, the server itself? Yeah, I don't really understand how that shit works. For me, it was just enabling a built-in on Streamlabs. Wait, Streamlabs. Oh, I have Streamlabs. I have Streamlabs. I could do that. For quotes. I can look into that. Is this Streamlabs? I have Stream Elements. This is sound alerts. Wait. Nightbot. Maybe not. Maybe I don't have Streamlabs. I don't want another one. Timer? I'll never understand how that works. We just need Covino, Fally, and Hypno, and everyone is here. What do you mean everyone? There's like thousands of people. Also, I don't think I've ever seen Covino. Covino's never been here, I don't think. I said hi to him in his chat once. And I don't, yeah, I think that was that. I did that. Don't steal my thunder. Finn, thank you for shouting out iHeart and for all your pinning. Oh man, I'm getting behind. I'm getting behind. You guys are getting rowdy. I almost got work done today. No, I did that. Team effort, yeah, team effort. Implying Andrew does anything except reap the rewards of my hard work. You don't have Streamlabs, just like you do use Visual Studio. Wait, do I have Streamlabs? Yeah, I have Stream Elements. What is Streamlabs? It might be built in. Maybe. I bet Stream Elements has something. Yeah, I don't think someone who goes to bed early will ever be here. Sounds like favoritism. I don't know what it sounds like. Finn's just throwing a tantrum right now. I can hear how he responded to that just now. Like I hear it. We can all hear it. Only ever heard of Covino? No idea. Yeah, check him out. He's a streamer, usually on US daytime. Prime awake time for mere mortals, yeah. I'm actually a morning person. 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. I'm getting sleepy. In bed by 11:30. I can't stay up much after that. Thanks for giving Covino a shout out. If he were real, he'd be here. Yeah. If Beegs were real, he'd be here, but he's not real. You hear me go, huh, from there. Yeah, I heard you. Who did we end up with in Stardew? Whartson, are you doing a Stardew run? All right, let me concentrate for 2 seconds. I get all the sources from the stats. Great. If the decoration has an activity, I get those sources as well. Great. I check if the amount of sources is greater than 0. Great. I turn the container on because there are sources, so we turn the container on. For each source, I grab the modifier itself. And then sprite equals null. Okay. Excuse me. I grab the icon. Room type. That means that the source is a room. We grab the icon. Great. It's already been an hour. All right. Excuse you. Post video ads. You almost had the exact opposite schedules, but he sometimes stays up late to do a second stream right before your stream. I've never noticed that. Nobody yet. We're playing in the field, avoiding doing too much to raise suspicion on who my favorite is. Is there money on it? Are you taking bets? That's gambling. It's okay, chat. Don't worry. There's no such thing as Beegs. It's just a scary story mothers tell their children when they won't behave. If you don't behave. Beegs will show up on your screen. And you'll have no idea how to get them off your screen. Don't let Wardst, the actual streamer, fool you. We're going after Krobus, obviously. That's a tough one. Soul Retriever! Thank God Beaks is a myth. Talking about Alpine Lake and Harvest Moon the entire thing. No, stop it. Bongo, it's a great big world out there. Lots of people. All right. So sprite, we set the sprite, great. And now what do? For each image in stat mod images, if the image.gameObject. If the image is active, if it's visible, I check to see if the sprite name equals the sprite name of the image we just found. And if we already found it, we don't duplicate it, so we just say found equals true, break. Okay. So if there's like two things with the same image, we don't show it. If we didn't find anything, get stat mod image dot sprite. Okay. So then we get the stat mod image and we set it active here. Okay. I have a feeling what's happening is that we're not even getting past this. All right, let's try something else. I think rooms don't gather the decorations when they're created and the decorations are already there. That's the issue. We're going to fix that. Playing the field farm game. Good pun. Good pun. Did you see Google are now advertising on YouTube Premium? If they think it's really important, they'll advertise shit to you on the thing you buy so you don't have ads. Coincidentally, the really important things are the things Google are selling. Wait, that was too many words in that sentence. I couldn't remember how the sentence started. I think that's a sign. I think that's a sign that I'm losing it. All right, I put this in here. Wait, no, it's definitely working because the stats are there. So the stats are they're definitely being added. It's just they're not counting as sources. I wonder why. So let's see if we can visualize it. Arcade cabinet. Stat modifiers. I have, look at that, 1. Value. I have 1 and 1. And then I have one here, 1 and 1. What the heck? Why does this actually have multiple modifiers like that? Why is that? All right, we need a bunch of prints. That's so annoying. Print here, here, obj, here too. You activated my Google Home and Google Phone by just saying the word Google. It's going to happen. Right, I specifically pay for premium, so no ads. This would be a reason to cancel it. Wait, let me read that again. Did you see that Google are now advertising on YouTube Premium? If they think it's really important, they'll advertise shit to you on the thing you buy. Oh, I see. They've added ads to the thing you pay for to not have ads. I see now. What does that mean, really important? Like, what does that mean? Is that like a vocabulary that they use, or are you just saying that to make a point? If I see one ad on Twitch Turbo Goes, that's the deal. Yeah, I believe it. Hope I got a couple of new eyes on your project. Jitspo, what are you talking about? Jitspo, how's it going? Shout out to Jitspo. Elaborate. Excuse me, did you just pronounce it obj? Yeah, OBJ. Obj. The launch was scrubbed. Amazon failed to deliver. Sorry, Turgis. The indie showcase thing I did Saturday. Oh my god. That was like months ago. That was like months ago that I posted on your Blue Sky. I didn't realize it was this Saturday or last Saturday. Oh my god. Jitspo. I totally forgot. I totally forgot. I feel terrible. I feel terrible. I'm gonna watch. Do you put the VODs up? I'll watch the VOD. Oh man, this is so stupid. VOD is up. Okay, I'll give it a watch later. Do you have any gripes? Do you have any criticisms? Please be harsh. If it's about the characters only having one kind of pant, they've got more. You can choose 5 kinds of pants now. Slur, how's it going? I swear to God. Why do you swear to God? You don't like obj? Do you have dog pants? I don't have dog pants. You can choose between... Wait for it. Wait for it. You could choose between leggings and leggings with cuffs and shorts. These shorts look really weird. But you can have them. Sweatpants. Capris with cuff. Bell bottoms. Bell bottoms with stripes. Parachute pants. Capris with bell bottoms. And then just giant comfy pants. I don't even know what these are. Giant comfy pants. Don't you ever pronounce the USD near me? It's not an OBJ file. It's an object. Objects are objs. OBJs are OBJ files. It's like a file type. What about panting dogs? Wait, I do have a panting dog. He's right here. He's in the grass. He's so short, his legs stick out. His legs don't come through the grass. Oh, Jesus, Turgis. Turgis. Delete. I pronounce it GIF. We've talked about this before. Oh, it's GIF. I saw nothing wrong with that. That's because you crave chaos. Refreshing slots. Wait, what was that? That's not the print I was looking for. Save slots. Long live Chowis. Long live Chows. Twitch scam. I've noticed that anytime I raid into someone, that Twitch scam account follows that person like 5 minutes later. I'm pretty sure I give that scam 2 people. Like, thank you for the hydrate. Long live Chow sits in my chat, but I have too much validation settings that they can't follow. And then I bring them somewhere that has less settings, less secure settings. And then bam. Delete. Okay, it's getting here. Look at that. Let me get rid of this bed. It's going to be very confusing. We're going to put this arcade cabinet in this room. Boom. It's not even trying. Oh, I didn't make the arcade yet. Make the arcade. Submit. It's not even trying. It's not. Oh. Oh, right. Okay. Clear. I need to just go over it once. 1. Okay. It's getting here. So source count is not greater than 0. Why? That's not fair. Or wait, I missed a bunch of chat before. I was hoping to watch New Glenn launch, but they exhausted the entire launch window with 30 minutes delay. Wait, is there another space program? Are there 2 competing space programs going on right now? Oh, we're in ads. Just was probably laughing at me over there watching Twitch at 3 a.m. So late. Twitch is or Jitspo is definitely nocturnal. This doesn't make any sense. Why can't I add this as a source? Maybe it's not getting added as a source. Maybe something's going wrong. Room. Set room. Add if not 0 from source. I'm grabbing an object, source, and I'm adding it as a source. Add modifier. Stat modifier is add the Wait, where's the source? Wait, what? Wait a minute. No. Stat list. A new stat modifier. I create it. It's got a value. Add if not 0, and the source. Oh. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. So the source is part of the stat modifier. Okay. That's normal stuff. Let's try something else. So get sources. Objects. If the object, oh, here we go. I just don't get those other types. If obj.type equals stat mod type. Why do I care? Add if not 0. If objects. Wait. Just do this. Or. Okay. Problem solved. Back to normal. I refuse to give TurboTax money with the lobbying they've done to keep taxes complicated. Wait, what? Are you making tax puns? Blue Origin, New Glen Bong. What does the new spaceship look like? Space is hard. Yeah, space is hard. Pete, you changed your name again. You capitalized the S and the NZ. So now you're not Pete's. Are you like doing A/B testing to figure out what the best name is so people call you the correct thing? Mr. Friend, how's it going? This channel's so nerdy friendly. So nerd friendly. I love it. It's not nerd friendly. I've just been very lenient. I let you all talk nerdy. I don't like it. Nerd stuff has to end. We're cool here. We're cool kids. Cool cats. We're done being nerd. There we go. There's the modifier. Okay, so that just one day that icon will indicate a room icon and not just be a video game controller. And then everything will make sense. Excuse me. Cool. fuel. These nerds are hostile, yeah. I am actually being held hostage by all you nerds. For a second you saw my new name, the Mock King. Listen, now it's just expected. When you change your name, I'm gonna say something. All right. Is this all right? Is this good? We done? I think so. So now the modifier shows up. You know where it comes from. Cool. Jeff has been trying to change his name to or wait, what? Jeff has been trying to change his name to Elon, or is Elon? What? Oh, I'm so sick of Elon Musk. I'm like so freaking sick of him. I can't avoid all the stupid news articles that I see. I'm very close to not really going on Twitter anymore. I look at it like once a day, maybe, for like 5 seconds. Finally given up on it. Oh, just the sad state of our country, Jitsbo. It's pretty sad, isn't it? I have to do, I don't even know, I don't understand the taxes I have to do right now. I think I have to do Japanese taxes and I have to do US taxes. But I didn't, I contacted accountants here, but I can't find anyone. Valenier! Valenier, thank you for the raid. I can't give you a shout out because I already gave you one. But I could do this. Valenier, how was your stream? Casper, welcome in. Pop Joe, welcome in. Fanny Slam, welcome in. Fuzzy Demon, how are ya? Yag, welcome back. Val, welcome back. Val, how are ya? Wait, my Jira clone is coming along. Figured I'd come in here and co-work, but instead I've been bumping my... What? What does that even mean? Papa Joe, thank you for the follow. Welcome in, everybody. To the raiders that don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this cozy life sim Innkeeper-Sim called Alpine Lake. Everyone make sure to give Valenier a follow. He's a wonderful person working on a Twitch integrated RPG. Some call it an MMO, some don't. I don't want to start that again. But it's really fun. I've played it many times. Yeah, give Val a follow, please. Please. He's also my stream boss, and I have a quota. I gotta get him some follows. Welcome Raiders to the E-Inn. Enjoy your stay. Vongo, you're gonna make that a thing, aren't you? Stop trying to make that a thing, Vongo. But yeah, Valenier, if you have anything you want to share, please go for it. Gum bumping is a weird Midwestern term. My bad. Yeah, what does that mean, though? Like, I can't even think of what it possibly could mean. Like, eating French fries? Wait, I'm only saying that because I see Papa Joe saying I was walking over to do some French fries and walk back over to say, wait, what? Oh, to drop some French fries. It's an MMO. Oh, you came back just to say it's an MMO. That's great. Why can't I make that a thing? It's a good idea. I was just quoting Mean Girls. Stop trying to make fetch a thing. You can try and make whatever thing you want to be a thing as you want the thing. No, that didn't make any sense. You can make whatever thing you want to be a thing. There you go. Thing. All right. So this is functional. There's a few. All right, there's one final thing. I don't tell the player that this is a thing. So I don't communicate to the player properly that you can wait, no, there's actually multiple things wrong with this. I just realized that I think these can stack. I think these can stack multiple times. So what I got to do is every time I set the room, I have to see if this stat already exists. Ah, crap. No, I'm not done yet. I hate stats. I hate dealing with stats. Oh, wait a minute. I might have inadvertently already done that. Ooh, wait a minute. Yes, I did, because the add if not zero, you can only have one. But actually, I don't want it to only be one. I want it to be as many as there are here, but I just don't want it to have multiple sources. All right, we're going to put that here. And then I need to make sure that I can't add the same source twice. So stats list. Stat modifier. No, don't pin it. Don't pin it. Stat modifier? No. How do I add how do I modify? Add modifier. Where's add modifier? Here. Add modifier. I basically want to say do not add if the source already exists. Oh, no, don't open up assembly. For each stat modifier mod in stat modifiers. If mod.source equals, wait, this is new mod. New mod. If mod.source equals new mod.source, just return. There. Bumping gums is a slang term that means to talk excessively or boastfully. It is generally considered rude or disrespectful to use this phrase. The term dates back to 1930 and can also mean to have small talk with no substance. For example, the neighbors were bumping gums this morning about the weather. So I'm just imagining two people without teeth, like just opening their mouth as much as possible, and just, oh, it's horrible. Do you have any stats to measure how much you hate dealing with them? I've never been roasted by you before, Jitsu. I like this. I like this. It's not really roasting. It's more like taking my words, mashing them up, and then throwing them back at me. Hi, I'm making a 2D game in Unity 2, and even the most simple things break. I really respect that you are making a game like this in 3D. Seeing you making this looks like forbidden black magic to me. Congrats. Pelly, welcome in. How are you? Pelly, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I understand your pain. When I first started, I tried to make a big big game, and I kind of failed. I worked on it for 2 years, and I shelved it because it was just I was not skilled enough to get it done. But eventually you'll get there. Just keep making shit. Zemian, good morning. Miss Carling. Wait, thank you for the stream. Time I was game over for the night. Catch y'all later. Have a good night. Thanks for stopping in and hanging out. Kissing with gums. No, but it's more than that. It's like I'm imagining like if you hit your knuckles together, like that's the force that I can't get out of my brain. Tino, what is up? How's the dev going? Dev energy? Dev energy's good. I'm working through stuff. I think this is all I needed. The other thing is if I accident... So now this will prevent multiple sources being identical. So... Wait, remove modifier. How come it doesn't care about the source? Oh, remove all modifiers from source. Got it. Oh, look at that. There's link in here. I didn't do that. That's not link. What is that? Remove all. I don't know what that is. Isn't that link? I don't know. Object model. What the hell is this? I didn't write this stat class. I got it from a tutorial. Yeah, we're just going to leave that for now. All right, I'm going to assume it works. So... I still don't have a way to tell the player that you get this bonus. How should I do that? I should do it in the item description. Somewhere. Oh God. Oh God, I gotta scroll up to catch up. He's agreeing with you in ways that uses your words against you. Yes. The problem is the pun or the joke is from something from 3 minutes ago because I can't keep up with you all. And then I have to like think really hard. It's like, okay, this pun is about this sentence. And I think it was this. Yes, it was this I said. It was this I said. It's broasting. There it is. There it is. Sass Booyah to be respected, understood. Yeah, I respect the sass sometimes. You're imagining... No, not grandmas. One of my classes for this semester got a different teacher. I wanted the original one. No, that's the worst. Chapel. Chapel, how's it going? If something is not broken, then it's more broken. It's true. That's a tough truth. I had tons of ideas I had to put aside for a future game. I think it's just part of the process. Keep pushing. Yeah, definitely keep pushing. Shout out to Whitechapel. Don't talk to me like that. Or don't talk about me like that. It's gonna be okay. For example, watching Adam C. Eunice develop his game, I go, I get why he does that. But watching 3D devs, my brain goes, whoa. Even though it's more or less similar. Yeah, just this is a 2D game. This is a 2D game. If I put the camera here and I make it an orthographic camera, there, it's a 2D game. It's the same. This ISO is driving me nuts. There's no wizardry here. Adam C. Eunice does do some wizardry. I am lurking. I could have sworn I was in Fally stream. Yeah, you got a big yellow box around you. Pelly, thank you for the follow. I plan my entire schedule so I can avoid specific teachers. Now I'm stuck with one. Ugh, it's the worst. No, Chapel, how are you? When are you going to add in the half pipe so we can do tricks on the bike? Soon. Soon. I'm going to add skiing soon. I think that's the next thing I want to do. I want to add the skiing minigame. I might use this opportunity of the indie game developers Twitch team game jam to prototype the skiing minigame that I add. I'm not sure yet. Is there even such a thing as 2D game, or are engines now always 3D by default? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's a few engines that are 2D only. When is the game jam? It's next week, I think. I don't remember. Also, riding the bike with no helmet's going to upset people. They're going to give you a mature rating. It's not required, though. GGJ? Game jam? What? It's like, ugh, I could have just taken the back end class since I'm stuck with the teacher I don't want. Yeah, can you change now? Usually there's like a grace period to change. Oh, global game jam. No, it's not global. 4 days, 11 hours until the game jam. Gucci. Is that a Kimezu emote? I could tell. It looks like a Kimezu emote. Is it the same? Do they overlap? I guess they overlap. Riding the bike isn't... No, wearing a helmet's not required. It's not a law. It's not against the law to ride a bike without a helmet. Has this theme been selected yet? No, I don't think so. I have the link handy. Would you like it posted? Sure. Post it. Okay, so what's the next thing I do? I have to figure out how to communicate this to the player. Let's just look at an item for a second, because the item description panel is getting very, very busy. There's a lot of stuff on it. When is the game going to come out? Also, how much will it cost? Also, is the key I got from Channel Point redeemed just early access, or will it be the full game? Vongo? I don't know the answer to any of those questions. I don't know the answer to any of those questions. All right, so here is the item description. I guess I can put another row on the bottom. That's like room bonus. So I have activity type and then an image. I can have room bonus and then another image. Let's do that. Let's do that. I don't love it, but I'm going to do it anyway. So the selection, inventory selection, in selection marker. Need to wake up in a few hours to take the kids to school. Turgus, have a good night. Go take your nap. Floating description panel. It's this thing. I need to... So I have activity type. I want to duplicate these. I want to say room type bonus. Room type image. Image. And this should say room bonus. And this can be, I don't know, whatever the arcade icon was. Where'd it go? Where is it? Am I crazy? I'm just gonna, I'll just put this for now, whatever. So what I want to do is I want to make like an icon that indicates that it's a room, and it'll be an icon on an icon. I feel like I don't know why I want to make that so bad right now. Every part of me is like, go make that icon. I'm like, no, I don't care about the icon right now. It's not important to me. So floating item description panel. Item description panel. Activity. Public image. Room type bonus image. Public game object. Room type bonus title. Format activity type. Okay. Where do I do that? Let's say format room bonus, room type bonus item. Virtual. If item dot room bonus equals null dot set image null, and then room type title dot set active false, else set image item dot room bonus dot icon, and then room type bonus. True. So what that will do is, if there's a bonus, this will show up. Honestly, all these options look so good, I can't vote. Runty Robot, good morning. How are ya? I don't remember what was in the list of priority for the layouts because last week was such chaos. Gotta write it down. Always make a list. Just rate them most favorite on top. Still good at the bottom. Val, welcome back. Sorry we had to debrief. Welcome in, Val. Welcome in, Raiders. Val, how was your stream? Dither, how's it going? I can't say no to that voice. What? Hi, Beckham Yag. Hi, Yag. Team Jam is coming up so soon. Team Jam. Val, question about the Team Jam. Is it only for team members? Can non-team members also join the game jam? And follow-up question. No, I don't have a follow-up question. Yeah, follow-up question. How's your stream? It's very good. The rework is coming along nicely. Nice. I love all my children equally. That's what they all say. I get to try and talk myself into a summer job tomorrow, so I'm stressed. Wait, summer job? It's January. How are you already thinking about summer jobs? How does that work? Hey, boy, have you ever thought about switching to Godot? And if so, what games do you think you would make with it? Oh, I have no idea. I've thought about trying it, but I mean, I would never switch for this. It's hard. It's hard because I need efficiency, and I'm already quite proficient at Unity. I cannot possibly just switch to Godot yet, or I don't know. Unless Unity does something really stupid, even more stupid than they've done. Also, can I show you guys this shirt that my wife got me? So these characters, he's got a snake on his head for the near, and on the sleeves, he's got a little snake tongue. There's like little faces all down the arm, and the last one has a little snake tongue. It's this fun little brand, fun little Tokyo design brand. I like my new snake shirt. The snake tongue is cute, right? Just a little tongue. Non-team members can join, but at least one team member must be on the jam team. I see. Team. Yes. Doing fine. Been creating foundation for a large platform since 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Well, you're in Europe, aren't you? You just woke up. But for a large platform, that sounds big. It sounds large. Yeah, happy year of the snake. To any of you snakes out there, happy year of the snake. When I went to Disney World or Disneyland last week, I went on New Year's Day, and there was tons of snake stuff. Tons of it. Are those two characters birds? No, they're just these blobs. There's nothing about them. They're just like little blobs with faces. It's a platform that controls most of the energy sector in the country I live in. Damn, that sounds like a big deal. That sounds quite large. That actually sounds larger than large. All right, I need my arcade back. Arcade cab. Give item now. Of course. Oh, of course. Oh, of course. Of course. Of course. I need to see if they're null. If room image is not equal null. Because some menus won't have that, and I don't want to worry about it. Ugh, it's so hard to get anything done. I feel so sluggish. I still feel, I don't know, I felt sluggish for like a month. I don't know what's going on. Selection marker. Title. Image. Okay. So that's that. Cool. Cool. And now what? There are other places where I display item stats. Let's see. I hope it's a prefab. Item description. No. Item description. Item description panel. Item description panel. Wait, is this the thing I've been messing? This is the thing I've been messing with. What's this one? Okay, this one's different. Item That was a big oversight. I don't know why I named those the same. Item description panel. Yeah, save this. Sure. Activity type group. Oh, look at that. I have it like nicely formatted here. Let's do the same thing. Room type bonus group. Room type bonus title. Room type bonus image. Bonus image. Title. Room type bonus. I don't like how much space is here though. How do I make it smaller? Horizontal. Who's controlling the height of this? Preferred size, preferred size. Who is dictating the height? Force expand height. Vertical is min size, yeah. Oh, it must be this. Oh, here we go. $40. I don't understand though. There's like so much space in between here though. I guess it's this thing. What if I put these in another group? Create empty parent. And then do a vertical layout group here. And then I can control the height. There we go. Yeah. 90. I can keep that 40 or 50. And then height is whatever. And then what do I need here? I need like a content size fitter, vertical min. Yeah. Okay. That's way better. All right. I've been ignoring you. I'll snooze the ads and catch up. I haven't been ignoring you that much. I even behaved and let it happen. What? Are you known to misbehave and you behaved well here? That tends to happen. People tend to behave here for some reason, except Finn. Godot also uses C#, so you can use the same scripting, and I find Godot to be easier than Unity and more lightweight. I'm not one of those people that cares about lightweight. I know there are a lot of people like that, where it's like, oh man, it's like 4 megabytes. It's the best thing in the world. I don't care. I just want it to work, and I want to be good at it. Waiting for my coffee to magically kick in so I can actually think. Yeah, my coffee's worn off a long time ago. Lamfrost, what is up? You did behave. I shall pray my boss answers me, yes. Is that a coding skill? Is what a coding skill? I don't even remember at this point. Stirs the shit. I could tell. Atrum, good morning. To keep it fresh. Yeah, you got to keep it fresh. Godot has its own good things, but Godot builds are unstable. Not always, but there are some issues here and there. Yeah, I've heard that. I want to put this in the other one too, like this like vertical or this horizontal what's it called? Format. I'm not gonna do it right now though. Unstable, weird, minor, stable. I think everyone's gonna have a different experience. Mine are rock solid and super sexy. Feels bad being in bed and slow at replying to all the Godot stuff. No, Atrum, no, we don't do engine wars here. You know this. Can I share a clip from stream today? Of course you can. I'll accept system that is being actively developed and getting better and better all the time. Over 45 seconds just to open my project every day. I mean, if we're talking about slow opening projects. Something went wrong. We could not find that clip. Failed to determine content classification. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bite me, Twitch. You got to determine those classifications. My dining room table is stable. All I have to contribute to the subject. Thank you. Gadoo. Gadoo. Ew. No, because they take all of my ad revenue when I put mature content classification. Yeah. They tend to do that. All right. So now I have an indication of whether or not you get a room bonus. Great. I can move on. Here's the next thing I'm dealing with. Oh yeah, thanks Nightbot. Hey anyone, if you haven't wishlisted Alpine Lake, can you please give it one? Thanks. What was Sunday? Okay, I mean Jitspo's probably asleep by now. But I did have a little spike. I had a little spike on Sunday and Monday of last week. Was that the day? Was that the day you did the thing? Or was it this Sunday? Was it yesterday? I don't know. I'm going to check out the VODs. We'll see. We'll get to the bottom of this. We'll get to the bottom of this. Sninko. Sninko raid. Sninko, how are you? What was I doing? Oh, right. I'm going to test something else. But first, we have to address the Sninko in the room. Sninko, how's it going? Welcome in. Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy indie game called Alpine Lake. It's an innkeeper life sim game, and I swear I know what it's called. I've been working on it for over 4 years. Shout out to Sninko. OB, welcome in. Gucci, welcome back. Icy. Sninko, of course. Koltari, welcome in. Now it's time to save up for Duolingo. I haven't even done it today. Bongo, thank you for the welcome. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. What did you get up to today? How was your stream? Sninko-chan raid. Raid. I will make you Japanese practice. Thank you. You need the points, though. I'll end this stream. Darkwood. Thank you for the hydrate. All right. So here's what I was working on today. I worked on giving stat bonuses to items in certain rooms. So if I turn this room into an arcade, and then I put a basketball cabinet. Let's say I put this basketball arcade machine in this room. Boom. The walls didn't go down. Why? Okay. And now we can play basketball. Perfect basketball. Always. And if I look at the stats, it's got a stat modifier for being in an arcade. Yay. Oh, there's something else I want. I want a burst of something on the UI. That's what I want. Damn it. All right, we're going to do that too. Fixing bugs, getting started on making my menus, gamepad, and keyboard accessible. That sounds big. It took me a long time to do when I had to. But yeah. Wait, ad break. Oh, we're in ads. Ah, crap. Crap. All right, when we get back from ads, I'll say the thing. I recorded the VOD and downloaded it. Put it in the team Discord if you want to check it out. It's like 40 seconds long. All right. I'll wait for the ads to be over. I'm out of ads. I was lucky. Oh, luckily AFK. All right, welcome back from ads. If you're not back from ads, or if you're already back from ads, I'm sorry for saying that. Here's a clip of Val's stream today. Val rated us earlier. I can't even hear it. Now I'm confused. Language Val. Oh my god. That's great. That's great. I appreciate that. Thank you for sharing. I've been lurking in the stream for a while working from home. Need to hydrate myself, so I thought I'd remind you as well. Thank you, Darkwood. Ad PD, you're going to jail? No, I don't want it. No, nobody wants to go to jail, especially from the ad PD. Okay, what was I gonna say? Oh, I was gonna remind everyone to give Sninko Games a follow. He's working on a game where you can't see anything. You can hear stuff, and you could see sound. And if you're like, what? That sounds interesting. Click that like. Can't hear it? Yeah, it was hard to hear in the beginning. He got so hard. Yeah, I did. I was devastated. I just got told to think about what people want from a facilities page. Wait, what? What is that even? What is even a facilities page? What does that even mean? You legit stole a day from me. Yeah, 8 hours. That's a long stream. And that's a long time to be in a stream. I'm a real thief. Yeah, you are. Needed to lay down while doing a listen. Sneeko, I hope you had a great stream. Okay, there's one more thing I want to do. I want a pop-up to appear when we add this. And excuse me. That means I need to do some kind of check to see if we're adding it for the first time. And I already have a check to make sure it doesn't get double added, but I guess we're going to triple check. We're going to triple check. So I want the pop-up. It's right here. I already do this somewhere. Where do I do this? Stat modifier. Where are you? Stat modifier. Get decorations in area. Where is it? Modify stat. Is it here? Floating point alert. It's as simple as this. Alert text. What is the alert text? Oh, right. Alert text is decoration? Alert text. Wait. How is the alert text only the word? That doesn't make sense. We're just going to copy and paste it for now and see what happens. So decoration is now, the interactable is this. And the alert text is everything. Aye. The alert text is if this is not -1, or if this is not 0, sorry. I have to do the check anyway. If stats dot comfort dot base value is greater than 0. Then this is comfort. And then I need to remind myself to do localize this if stats function and then finally style. All right. I won't even notify you when it goes away. Let's just see what that does. I don't even remember what it's going to do. Making a layout for a game page that is supposed to have the facilities like building, etc. that the player has access to, but no idea exactly what's wanted on it. I have a feeling you're dealing with a lot of stuff that I got to deal with, like literally where to show you certain things. Like when I'm struggling, where do I show the player something? And what you're doing is you have the one menu you're working on and deciding what needs to go there. That's not nice. I feel like whoever's assigning work to you should tell you what should be on that page, at least as a starting guide. Okay, so I'm gonna make this room. Delete arcade. Great. Submit arcade. And then I'm gonna make this guy. If I put this guy out here, nothing happens. If I put him in here, style +1, function +1. Boom. What happens if I delete the room? Oh, look at that. It popped up. Okay. What happens if I take this away and I put it back? Okay, so you see how it popped up again? It's because I'm regathering the room. Like I'm regathering all of the stuff in the room when I put something else down. But I'm not adding another stat. It's like, yeah, it's still 2, 3. It's not 1. It's not 4, 5. Okay, or 4, 3, 4. So I have to make sure that that doesn't show up. Let's say if stats dot comfort dot source get act remove all modifiers from source. That's modifiers. Oh, how about this? How about this? Stats. Decoration stats list. Public string, get total stats. Here we go. I'll just make it. Oh my God, I have so many functions here. Public bool is source of stat of any stat. Okay. And I'll take in the object source. Return false. Public virtual. Yeah. And then here, I'll just do the decoration stats for now. I got to do those other ones later. Oh, Zimian! Zimian! Thank you for the prime. I live for it. For the 8-hour streams? Yeah, that's so long. Look, I've been going for 2 hours, and I got to wrap it up soon. I wish I can stream for way longer. Just not enough time in the day. I had a lot of day job today, and I failed at it hard. I think that's why I was so mad today. I just got... Sometimes the day job just beats you up. He gives us a pee break. I don't think I could pee for that long. Runty Robot. I don't think you could pee for 8 hours either. I've been in streams for 10 before. Damn. Yo, I've been in streams for like 30 hours. Yeah, you got nothing up. No, I'm kidding. 10's a long time. I don't even code, like zero knowledge. People ask why I sit in coding streams having no idea what's happening. Honestly, there's a cadence to these software dev streams that it doesn't matter if you're into coding. It's just if you like seeing things get created, you know, if you like nerdy stuff and computers, if you like video games, any of those things can satisfy that. Virtual, wait. Oh, right, override. I'm like, why isn't that working? So if style dot get active once source? No. How can I get their sources? Stat modifiers. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Stat modifiers. Dot contains source. Return true. Oh, wait. No. I can't just do contains. I have to for each it. Damn it. I mean, I can probably use link, but I always forget how. For each stat modifier, mod in style stat modifiers. Oh, I can totally make this generic. Is source of stat. Here we go. Here we go. Public void is source of stat. Stat. Object source. We just need to do this. Stat. Turn false. And then if style source, turn true. If oops. Comfort function. Okay, here we go. There we go. Now I could do these easily. Activity stats. This is now fun, relaxing, and inspiring. It's very funny because my boss is a good boss, but a terrible team leader. I would be just like that. Same. Foul. What do you mean same? You have tons of coding knowledge. The people. The answer is the people. Ah, shit, you're right. I said a bunch of stupid stuff, but it's the people. Please don't at me like this. Spending 2 hours of my 6-hour stream just winging about being tired, whining about being tired. Why? What does that mean, Sninko? What is at youing about that? Except you get to plan on what you want on it. And it won't be wrong. When I do, it can be so horribly wrong. Yeah, that's true. But then you'll get notes and you'll make it right. I'm saving all my layout mockouts, so when inevitably people complain about the layouts in the game, I can be like, I thought this was better, but got told no. That's, yeah, cover your ass. That's a good strat. Rundy, are you saying I couldn't have the swankiest bonfire with pachinko machines, Pac-Man, and couches? You can. What? Was that a comment on the arcade? I have so many functions here. Proceeds to add yet another one. Yeah, I did do that, didn't I? Have my prime. Zimian, thanks again for the prime. I appreciate it. Why do you stream so short? Because I got a day job. And now it's dinner time. I have nothing productive. I have nothing productive done in the past hour. Brain is not functioning properly today. It happens. Munez, how are you? Shout out to Munez. All right, so now that I can check to see if there's already a stat modifier with this owner. So the decoration itself, we don't need any of this. We can just say, before we add the stat, we need to do the thing. We just need one of these. These can all go. And it's now stats dot is source of any stat. And the source is room. And if this is null, I think that's fine. Like if I pass in null here, it's totally fine. We pass in null here. We just, oh, if there's a null source, then you can have a null source. All right, I can't pass a null. So if room does not equal null. Oh, this is too many ifs. Too many ifs. Okay, so now we should only see this the first time. Oh, but now I don't know which ones to show. Damn it. All right, wait. We're going to copy this and then undo. We're going to undo. And then we're going to paste this back and then put this in there. Oh, horrifying. This is horrifying. This is horrifying. Doing well, how are you? I'm good. I'm doing good. Gonna go for a walk before it gets dark. Have a great rest of the stream. Sninko, enjoy your walk. And thank you so much for the raid. Okay, this was terrible. But I think it's gonna work. Okay, delete arcade, submit. Grab this. Put in the arcade, boom, style and function, +1. We're gonna put in another arcade. It did it again. Why did it do it? Wait, is source of any stat? We only want to do this if we're not the source of any stat. But then why did it do it the first time? Why did it do it the first time? Is source of any stat? Go through all the mods. If the source is the source, return true. Otherwise, return false. Print. Debug.log. Mod.source equal source. Ani, thank you for the hydrate. All right, it's 6:30 though. I gotta go. We're gonna see what's going on here, and then I'm gonna bounce. Make arcade. Boom. Now I get nothing. And I get nothing. Great. Why? I'm doing it after. All right. Well, for next time. For next time, I'll figure it out. What's for dinner? I don't know what's for dinner. Maybe pizza. Tonight might be pizza night. Where should we raid? Let's see. Oh, Udon Engineer. He's always raiding me. We're gonna raid Udon. All right, everybody. Let's do some credits. Thank you kindly for hanging out and keeping me company. Thank you for all the raids, Val and Sninko. Thank you for the follows. Let's see. Did we get follows today? I think we did. We definitely did. Pelly, Papa Joe, Oosh. Really appreciate it. Turgus and Zimian, thank you for those subs. It's very kind of you. And Finn, thank you for modding. Killiga, have a good one. Bongo, Muniz, Ani, Zimian, Virtue, Chapel, Killiga again, iHeart. All right. I'll be back tomorrow, maybe slightly earlier. And yeah, I hope you all had a good weekend. And let's start this week right with smiles and friendship. All right. I'll catch y'all next time. Have a good one.